Here is a crazy truth. This fall, just one thing in your store could be bringing you more than $43,000 every single week. If you're stressing over logos, fonts, and fancy website designs, let me just stop you right there. Because none of that is going to matter this fall if you don't have this one thing in your store. And I'm serious. You could spend weeks obsessing over the perfect banner or color palette, but if you miss this, kiss your sales goodbye. What's the thing? The right products. Yeah, I know it sounds simple, but it's literally the difference between making a couple set dollars here and there or raking in thousands every single week this fall. And trust me, I've seen both sides of it. So let's imagine this together for a second. Store number 1. Oh, it's gorgeous. Perfect branding, a homepage that looks like it belongs in a design magazine. All the bells and whistles. You land on it and think, wow, this person has a really great sense of style. But the products, dusty, outdated, nobody cares. It's giving some store leftovers vibe. And the sales? Maybe 500s in a month, if that. Basically, pocket change. Now, store number 2. Oh, it's super plain and even boring. Nothing fancy. The logo that's probably made in Canva in 5 minutes. Pretty basic theme. But the products? Oh, the products are hot, fresh, seasonal, and viral. And suddenly, this little plain Jane store is pulling in $25,000 a month. Yeah, same internet, same season, completely different results. And all because one store focused on what actually matters. That's why I always say don't sleep on seasonal products. They're like your ticket to being part of the conversation that's already happening. People are in buying mode. They're already searching for cozy fall must-haves, they're scrolling for cute seasonal trends, and if you show up with the right products, your store is basically printing money. And since we're already here, let's cut the fluff and talk about what these products are this fall. Alright, first one, oversized knitted cardigans. These are everywhere this fall. People are layering them over dresses, pairing them with boots, coding up on TikTok haul reset videos, you name it. You can grab them for like $70 and sell them easily for around $250. That's over $140 profit for just one item. Imagine selling 100 of those in a month and hello, extra $3,000. Number 2, LED glass flameless candles. I mean, do I even need to explain this one? Fall without cozy candles is like Christmas without Santa. It just doesn't exist. You get them for $28 and people happily pay $100 or more. That's over $70 profit every single time someone wants their house to look aesthetic and vibey. Next up, women's leather jacket. These are blowing up right now because people want comfortable and warm but aesthetic and stylish clothes at the same time. TikTok influencers are showing them in cozy get ready with me videos and they're pretty much a must-have. Cost price around $150 and selling price around $450. That's $300 in profit, and trust me, sales won't make you wait long. Number 4, whole house humidifiers. Every fall, health-conscious shoppers are buying this stuff because the air during the winter is very dry. They cost around $180 and you can sell them for like $650 easily. Many of them look really aesthetic, so it's not only health, it's a beautiful addition to the house. And finally, luxury imitation fur blankets. Hear me out. As soon as it gets chilly, people panic buy this like crazy. They're really soft and cozy, perfect for fall cinema nights. You can get them for about like $140 and sell for $300. That's over $150 profit each time someone clicks buy now. See what I mean? These aren't just random products. They're seasonal, they're trendy, and they're exactly what people are already searching for. All you have to do is put them in your store and position them right and start to cash in. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually find these products without wasting weeks scrolling and guessing what's gonna work? Well, that's where Sellvia makes life so much easier. They literally have ready-to-go bundles with the hottest products already picked for you. Like, no research, no testing, you just get your store stocked with things that are guaranteed to sell. And the best part? You can do it super fast, so you don't miss out on this fall season. because trends move really fast, and you don't want to be that person still figuring it out in December when the money making wave has already passed. So let's wrap this up. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: your products matter more than anything else. You can have the prettiest website in the world, but if your products are boring, your store is going nowhere. But if you load up with the right seasonal trending products, you are setting yourself up for thousands in profit this fall. And if you don't feel like playing guessing games, just grab a bundle from Sellvia and get straight to selling. No stress, no wasted time, just profits. Alright, that's it for today. Drop a comment sharing which products you liked, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I'll be spilling more insider tips to help you turn your store into a money-making machine. Until next time, go make these fall vibes profitable. See you in the next one!